dear students of class 5A. In today's GK class, I shall teach you a new lesson. The name of the lesson is Words for Places. The name of the lesson is Words for Places. Words for Places. Here there are some points according to which I shall teach these lessons. Now what are the points? I am going to write in the board. Please look at the board and try to understand the basic concepts of the questions. If you have any question, any doubt, any problem, please ask me question in my live class. But you don't remain silent while conducting my live class by me. If you have any confusion, once again I am reminding you, you must ask me question and get your doubts cleared. Now I am writing one by one questions and then I shall explain it. Please look at it, my dear students of class 5A GK. First question I am writing. A place where bread, pastry and cakes are made and sold. What is the name of the place? A place where bread, pastry and cakes are made and sold. The name of the place is bakery. My dear students, all of you, please take it down the answers in your classwork copies. All of you get ready with your classwork copies and take it down the answers in your respective classwork copies. Now answer is bakery, a place where bread, pastry and cakes are made and sold. Answer is bakery. Bakery is a place where these kind of things like bread, pastry and cakes are made and sold for us. We usually go to the bakery in order to purchase bread, in order to purchase pastry, in order to purchase cakes, etc., etc. And next one, question number 2. A farm which keeps cows and buffaloes and sells milk. A farm which keeps cows and buffaloes and sells milk. This is known as dairy. This is known as dairy. Dairy. A place where a farm which keeps cows and buffaloes and sells milk is known as dairy. A farm which keeps cows and buffaloes and sells milk known as dairy. And second one completed. Third one, a large building or group of buildings where goods are made. Where goods are made. Goods are made. Now what is the answer? A large building or group of buildings where goods are made. A large building or group of buildings where goods are made. This is factory. This is factory. A large building or group of buildings where goods are made is known as factory. Known as factory. Then question number 4. 3 completed. Question number 4. A place where coins are made. A place where coins are made. This is known as mint. Okay. A place where coins are made. This is mint. Mint is a place where coins are made. Then this one 4. And next question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5, I would like to give you one question more. That is, a place where interesting objects, especially old ones, are kept and displayed, for people to see. What is this? A place where interesting objects, especially old ones, are kept and displayed for people to see. What is it? It is museum. It is museum. It is museum. A place where interesting objects, especially old ones, are kept and displayed for people to see. This is known as museum. This is known as museum. Then question number 6. A place from which a radio and television program television program is broadcast. A place from which a radio and television program is broadcast. A place from which a radio and television program is broadcast. That is studio. Studio. A place where television program, a place where radio or television program is broadcast, that is studio. Then question number 7. Question number 7, my dear students. Take it down, question number 7 and its answer. A small room or cupboard, a small room or not cupboard, large cupboard, small room or large, a small room or large cupboard where food tableware and similar articles are kept. What is the answer of it? A small room or large cupboard where food, tableware and similar articles are kept. What is this? It is pantry. Pantry. A small room or large cupboard where food, tableware and similar articles are kept, that is pantry. Now, my dear students, question number 8. Take it down. Question number 8. Question number 8, my dear students. A place where young children are looked after, a place where young children are looked after while their parents are at work. A place where young children are looked after while their parents are at work. That is creches. Creches is a place where young children are looked after while their parents are at work. Now, question number 9. Question number 9 is for you, my dear students. Question number 9 is for you. Question number 9. What is this? A place or a building where monks live. A place or a building where monks live. That is monastery. A place or a building where monks live, that is known as monasteries. Monastery is a place where monks Monastery is a building where monks live. Who are known as monks? Do you know? The preachers of religious concepts by which they are influenced and generally take an oath that until or till their death they would keep on teaching the concepts, preaching and concepts of their religious head, religious guru. They are known as monks. For example, there are two religious concepts introduced by, made it very much attractive and acceptable to the people. These religious heads and gurus were Mahavira, Lord Mahavira and Gautam Buddha. Both of them made their religious concept very much acceptable and popular among people. The concept Mahavira, this concept was popularized by, by Mahavira, and Buddhism. Buddhism also was popularized by Lord Buddha, Gautam Buddha. So they are monks, means they are pupils. The pupils by whom the pupils were instructed to teach the gospels or the ideals, preachings, teachings of their respective gurus by traveling various countries, from one country to another remote village, one village to another remote village, cities after cities. They usually would go and they would conduct meetings, and while conducting their meetings, they would teach, they would teach, they would preach their beliefs, they would preach the concepts of their respective preach their respective religious concepts, either Buddhism or Jainism. They were known as monks. So monks live where? They live in monastery. Monasteries were constructed by a number of kings, rulers, in order to engrave, in order to embrace the religious concept, because of their faith, because of their belief, because of their respect for the concepts, for the preachings and teachings of Gautam Buddha and Mahavira. So monasteries were constructed at the cost of monarch or kings extended cooperation and spent money for the construction of monasteries where monks lived. Now next one. Question number 10. A place where you can take your car for repairing. A place where you can take your car for repairing, that is garage. Garage is a place where we can take our car for repairing. So a place where you can take your car for repairing, this place is known as garage. G-A-R-A-G, garage. So these are the 10 points, my dear students. Time is over. Next day, the remaining part of this lesson will be continued. Thank you. Thank you, my dear students.